First thing first is we have to produce the rectangle in here and click from this origin and place on the correct position in here for the commercial building. It's around 22 and 18 meter, and then we can click the surface and push it up around 1000 millimeter, and then we can make group. Okay, and after that we can select right click and make component and create. Okay, then we can select move, tap control, place to this position, and then we can select move. Okay, we can move it up, and then we can just type 4 meter. Okay, then we can select move, tap control, and place to this position, and again in here. Okay, and after that we can make the wings in here. We can make the wings, the another wing side, and click this line, select move, and place to this position. So it will make it more attractive for the building, commercial building, or we can also move it to this position to make it more have another geometry in here like this. Okay, and after that we can select this one and make unique. Okay, we can offset it inside, then we can click, copy, and select edit, paste in place. Then we can push it down in here, then we can select make group. Okay, now we can erase the surfaces over there, and then we can set the glass. Okay, then we can put the glass on the correct materials, so we can prepare about the materials. Okay, then we can select the line and select move, tap control, and place to this position. Then we can type around 7 slash and enter. And also for the another building, another side of this building, we can type 3 slash and enter. And also this one, select move, tap control, can type 9 slash and enter in here. So it would be divided into the several panels of the glazing over there. Okay, then we can also put the another horizontal line of glazing. Then we can select move, and we can place to this another position in here, and also in here, and also in here. So it would become the special. Okay, and after that we can also put the more elements in here. We can put more elements, and we can offset it outside in here. Okay, around 4.7 meter, and also this one. Then we can put it down, make group. Then we can select move, tap control. Okay, we can also put more stepping in here. We can put more stepping side for the entrance. Okay, so we have to pay attention about the elevation in here. Okay, this is just for simulation. So you have to make sure that this step is correct on the correct place over there. Okay, then we can select the ground. We can make the ground in here, and make group. And then we can put the pavement on this position, and we can also setting up about the landscaping over there with using the landscaping area in here, and also to this position. Then we can select move, tap control, and place to this position. Okay, now we can select offset it inside and make some building elements on the rooftop as usual in here. Okay, now we can make the another elements like a curve, a single curve in here, but we can use the rectangle in here. And place this position, and we can place this one. Then we can type 64 S and enter. And click. Okay, then now we can erase some unnecessary line over there in here. Then we can click and push it to the front in here, and also make group. Okay, and after that we can also put more elements in here. We can use the rectangle in here first. Place the rectangle in here, and we can continue the curve segment in here on this position in here. Okay, maybe it's for the example. Okay, just like this. Then we can erase some unnecessary line. So this is the asymmetrical curve on the commercial building. It makes more elegance anyway. Then we can make more curve element in here again. We can use the another curve element in here, like this one. And then we can push it to the front. Triple click, make group. Okay, right now we can make the tiles. Maybe we can make the tiles to assign with these materials. This is for example. So we can also change with the another tile materials. Like we can use travertine. Okay, maybe we can use this travertine texturing in here like this. Okay, and then we can also make more landscaping in here to make it more representative enough for the commercial building in this episode. This is maybe it could be to be a parking and much more function over there. Okay, maybe it can be a parking. Just like this. We can click this line and select move place to this position. So we can activate about the shadow here. Place this, and then we can also change about the sun direction or sun orientation in here. And just like this. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment to this channel. Thank you.